Hello, I'm Phil Stüpfert, Head of Products and Engineering at Oceano Software, and it is great to have you with us. In this video, I'll give you a short overview of the most important new features in RecSuite RM 4.8. This release focuses on three main topics: improved data exchange, stronger automations, and new integration possibilities. Let's start with the RecIF import and export. Exchanging requirements with customers, suppliers, or other tools is a key part of many projects. This is exactly where we made significant improvements. During export, external structures can now be adapted through mapping, and much more information can be included, such as version histories, comments, and additional content. At the same time, you decide exactly what should be exported. For you, this means cleaner handover, less rework, and more control over the data that leaves your organization. We also introduced important improvements for imports. Content can now be mapped directly to existing categories and attributes. This makes it much easier to integrate external data into already existing structures without having to rebuild templates first. In addition, RecIF import and export is now available directly within the template editor. This allows you to prepare and adjust templates without creating a project first. Let's move on to the rule engine. We significantly expanded its functionality as well. Conditions can now be built with brackets and nested logic. This makes it much easier to model more complex rules in a clean and structured way. Another new feature is access to previous values through pre-version. This allows you to detect exactly what has changed and react to it in a targeted way. For example, when a status changes specifically from in progress to approved. With dynamic calculations through calc, values can now be calculated directly within rules. In addition, set command now supports all attributes, including meta-attributes. And one particularly practical feature, responsibilities can now be assigned automatically to users or groups. This means tasks can directly reach the right person. This reduces manual work and creates clearer processes. The third major topic is the new Zapier integration. With this integration, RecSuite RM can now connect to thousands of other applications. Changes in RecSuite can automatically trigger workflows in Zapier, and at the same time, Zapier can also create, modify, or update content in RecSuite. This opens up many new possibilities, especially for companies working with multiple systems, helping them to avoid manual handovers and automate workflows. That was our short overview of RecSuite RM 4.8. You can find detailed explanations and concrete examples on our learning platform in the dedicated release course, as well as in the user manual. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us directly or join one of our Q&A sessions on Mondays and Wednesdays. We'll be happy to help you there as well. Thank you for watching.